One of the most important things you can do for your health after the age of 65 is to be able to lift things safely from the ground. Whether it's groceries, your laundry, or even your grandkids, lifting is something we do every day. My name is Xander with One Place Physical Therapy. I work with a ton of patients in their 60s, 70s, and beyond, and being able to lift things from the ground is important for reducing pain, gaining independence, and just being able to do the things you love again. Today, we'll discuss just some of the many benefits of lifting from the ground and also how to progress with lifting safely. The first benefit is, of course, building strength. This is the foundation to all of our daily movements, whether it's doing yard work or picking up something heavy from the ground. It's part of our everyday movement. Number two is protecting your low back. So people with low back pain often avoid lifting, but by introducing that into your exercise routine, it can help to bulletproof the low back. What I mean by bulletproofing is it protects you from when you do have to lift something from the ground. Number three is it improves your balance and stability. By increasing your strength of your lower body and your core, it can help reduce fall risk. And number four, it helps to support your independence. You won't need to ask anyone for help lifting something because you have the strength to do it yourself. The most important topic for today is how to progress lifting safely. I'll show you a step-by-step process so that you won't have to worry about, throwing your back out or feeling like you're lifting too heavy. Start with something small, like a 5-pound bag or a 5-pound weight if you have that. Practice lifting this weight from a high level, like from a table, and then slowly work your way down until eventually you reach the floor. It might take you 1 week per level, but slowly build up your resilience to lifting from the ground. Once you do reach the ground, you'll start to increase your weight by 5 to 10 pounds each week. I recommend doing 2 sets of 10 every other day until your back has gained resilience and you're ready to progress to the next level. In regards to lifting technique, keep your feet about hip width apart. Push your hips back as you bend instead of rounding your back. Stand tall and squeeze your glutes as you finish. Depending on your prerequisite strength and age, your progressions might take longer than normal. I'm recommending 1 week at a time. Start to increase your level, but if it takes you longer, no problem with that. Once you have practiced this week after week, you'll start to notice that when you do pick up things, they'll feel a lot easier than they were before. Continue, be persistent. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and continue to follow our page for more rehab advice.